Yeah, good morning to all, and thank you very much, Mr. Praveen Prashant, for introducing me. On the dais, the dignitaries were actually mentioning about the technology. I'm going to bring in one specific technology, which is called the virtual twin technology. It is not only a digital twin, but how does virtual twin work is what I wanted to show you. And I wanted to start with one particular video over here. Voice.
From raw inputs for smartphones and infrastructure to fertilizers. Every day, our lives are enriched by the energy and materials industry. From raw inputs for smartphones and infrastructure to fertilizers for food, it drives prosperity across the world. Progress stems from the minds of visionaries who challenge the status quo. How will they shape tomorrow? When technology is accelerating change, strengthening competition, and the push to a lower carbon economy. They will put experience to work, engineering, constructing, and operating for ultimate efficiency and safety across the value networks they unify. They will imagine the future to find the breakthrough, harnessing new sources of power, making novel formulations, and turning waste into new opportunities. With Dassault Systèmes' 3D Experience platform, an inspired and connected workforce understands the past to navigate the future, modeling, simulating, and perfecting ideas to transform business and harmonize product, nature, and life. In a future made possible by virtual universes, experience the future today.
So in this video, actually, I have showcased the belief of Dassault Systems and what is the platform that I am talking about. This is called the 3D Experience platform, which has a seamless way to connect to different businesses and people. It is basically a relationship platform. And one of the belief that goes for the Dassault system is with the 3D Experience universe, you will be able to imagine sustainable innovation for harmonizing product, nature, and life. And sustainability is a key aspect of Dassault system as a whole. I just want to put forth one particular slide which will give you some insights about the current challenges that is faced by any industry. And this is typical to the agrochemical industry that we have actually picked up. And based on that, most of our customers, how they basically mitigate these challenges is what we are looking at. So it could be new consumer that we are addressing to. It could be the mandate of the sustainability that we need to adhere to. It is the regulations and the regulatory compliance. So how seamlessly we are able to attend to that or agree upon that is something that we look forward. And of course, today innovation is the key to business, to the whole community of agroscience. So we need to actually come out with some science-based innovation. So how is it possible? Then the complexity of the production, how do we bring down the complexity of the production, bring down the variability in the supply chain, and of course, how to maintain the margin pressure. These are the current challenges which is there. Based on these challenges, what are our customers working today with? They're trying to identify new product portfolios. They want to make sure that their laboratories from receipt to disposal is well taken care of in a particular platform, and how these supply chains are being converted into what is called the value chains. This is what the industry is looking at. Industry want to move forward to. And of course, Dassault system gives you an option to do that. How does it do? It gives you the option based on what is called virtual twins. So virtual twins is not only a digital twin, basically. Virtual twin is something that allows you to innovate virtually, validate the supply chain related to that, and then go on to compare it with the real product or bring out the real product on that. And in turn, it also allows you to learn by re-injecting the real world data into this virtual twin and then improving upon the virtual twin. It goes on to be a very cyclic process specifically, where you will attain the desired properties or designed characteristics of these chemicals, taking care of all the challenges that I showed on my earlier slide. And one way to adopt this is based on 4 different components. One of them is called as collaboration. How do we do seamless collaboration? The second one is basically based on optimization and modeling and also performance. These are the 4 key components of a virtual twin that needs to be taken care of. And Dassault Systems with its 3D Experience platform takes care of all the four components and manages a very nice relationship or extended relationship between business people in an environment of our ecosystem. I just want to give you a glimpse of what virtual twin experiences with respect to an agrochemical industry goes with. It starts with the product basically. It could be at the innovation stage. It could be at the ideation stage where there are seamless tools that needs to be connected, interconnected basically, and which is seamlessly transferred to the supply chain or the virtual twin experience of the supply chain, and of course goes on to execute and simulate respectively. So this is a cyclic chain. All of this can be handled through an intelligence cockpit that the 3D experience platform offers. The virtual twin concept is in the form of what is called as an infinity loop. We support our customers from the creation phase to the operation phase completely. So it could be something that you imagine to ideate or innovate, and it could be something that you want to bring out as a particular product. So there is an infinity loop that happens between that, and that infinity loop is what contributes to what is called as the virtual twin technology. So these chemicals, agrochemicals in general, what are the sustainable solution that we can offer with respect to using the infinity loop with virtual twins is what you see here. I'll just take the case of one of them. Let me say about the formula development. Of course, our secretary was talking about the formulation institute and pesticide, where formulation is key to the success. So do we do formulation at the lab for each and every formulation? Or do we do a virtual twin of the formulation? Yes, doing a virtual twin of the formulation is faster, easy to innovate, saves time, saves cost. So you can generate multiple set of innovative formulations which can be tested in the lab. That is exactly what we call as a digital twin. And if you're going to circulate across the whole ecosystem or a whole supply chain, it becomes what is called the virtual twin. So this is what Dassault system intends to offer to its customers, and many customers have reaped the benefits of that. Just deeper into that, what does this formulation have? This formulation have a capability to do formula development, capability to do recipe development. You can optimize your formula. All of them is done virtually, generating a digital twin of your formula. That digital twin of the formula is what you will test it in the lab, and that will go for the next level of technology transfer or a pilot scale plant or a quality check and so on. This is how sustainable solution that Dassault system offers. And what do our customers say? We have a lot of customers who use these approaches of the virtual twin across multiple industries, specifically related to chemical industries or agrochemical industries. We have on the formula development in cases where we have more than 2,000 users who are spread across 50 sites, and they are able to seamlessly exchange information, formulate a product using the virtual twin experience that we offer using the 3D experience platform. This is just one part of it which I have said. It can go up to the manufacturing part, where we can also do the optimization of the supply chain, the continuous process verification, monitoring, traceability, genealogy, all of these possibility of performing a virtual twin experience with the whole life cycle of a particular product or of life cycle of a process can be achieved using the 3D experience platform. In all, I want to say that virtual twin definitely benefits an organization by increasing efficiency and performance, by providing them with sustainable innovation practices, reinforcing operational resiliency. I want to conclude my talk with a video where our customers have joined this sustainable thread, and through these sustainable mention one particular point specifically. When we can come out with a vaccine in a period of 1.5 years, typically takes around 10 years or 15 years with an investment of over 350 million for a particular drug or a vaccine, which could be done so faster. The credit goes to virtual twin as one of the aspects of that. Of course, in the agrochemical industry also, innovating a new product, coming out with a new formulation can be done with a virtual twin approach in a faster, seamless way, reaping all the benefits of the virtual twin experience that Dassault Systems can offer. We are out there on the stall, and we have our platinum partner Solais, who works with us all over this journey. And we are always open there, and you can please come and discuss with us if you have any questions or ideas. Thank you very much.